Alright, welcome to our channel, Yes Global. Today happens to be another wonderful day that we have gotten to strive for excellence in life. And as we continue to bring our dream of studying abroad to fruition, we are going to look at a wonderful opportunity in one of the best countries in Europe. A European country called Romania. Now, if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome back once again, and I hope you get a wonderful opportunity one of these days. If today is your first time coming across a video on this channel, we post videos about study abroad opportunities and tips that will help you to materialize that dream of studying abroad. And so I will urge you to subscribe to the channel, like the video also, and then hit on the notification bar so that anytime a new video is posted, you will be notified immediately, and then you'll be able to access the video on time without missing an important deadline. Alright, today we are looking for an opportunity at a university called Transylvania University. Transylvania. So if you hit your browser and you type Transylvania University. So this is a university, as we can see in the browser here. It is a university in Romania, and it is a research institution that welcomes both domestic and international applicants to pursue undergraduate, masters, and then doctoral studies at this wonderful university. Now today we are looking at a wonderful scholarship at this university called Transylvania Academic Scholarship. Transylvania Academic Scholarship, and this is the 2025 application of this scholarship. Now this scholarship is offered by the university that we have already mentioned, which is Transylvania University, to attract international students from all over the world to pursue various academic programs at their university. And their reason for attracting for offering the scholarship is to attract international students, as I said, to study at Transylvania University. And the second one is to form a group of ambassadors of Transylvania University and thereby increase the international visibility of their institution. So this is the objective of offering this scholarship. And then the eligibility is that you have to be a candidate applying to a study program at this university. It could be an undergraduate, a master's program, or a doctoral program. So any program that you are applying to, you are eligible to submit an application for this scholarship to be considered. And what's the duration of the scholarship? The scholarship is awarded for the full attendance of bachelor's, master's, or doctoral degree studies to candidates accepted for studies at Transylvania University. So it means that once you are accepted to into an academic program at this university, you are automatically considered for this scholarship. The student full passing of each academic year is the condition for the scholarship to be granted for the following year of study. So it means that once you've been admitted to a program at this university and also been accepted into this scholarship, you have to maintain a good academic records in order for your scholarship to continue to be renewed for the academic years ahead of you till completion. It means if you don't maintain good academic records, your scholarship is likely to be revoked. Your scholarship offer is likely to be revoked. So once granted the scholarship, make sure you study hard to continue to renew your scholarship. What does the scholarship cover? What does the scholarship cover? It covers a lot of things. It covers your tuition fees, including registration and graduate fees. So the scholarship covers your tuition fee and also covers your accommodation at the university's dormitory, including holidays. So this implies that you will be hosted at the university's accommodation, and these fees or the fees for the accommodation shall be paid for by the scholarship, including your holidays. And also aside from all this, you will also be considered for a monthly stipend of 800. I think this is their currency, which is approximately 170 USD. It means your monthly stipend is approximately 170 United States dollars, including holidays. So I think this is a wonderful opportunity that can help you to materialize your study abroad dream. And one thing you should bear in mind is that the travel expenses and the cost incurred by the visa for Romania will be covered by the candidate. So it means that the scholarship does not cover your travel expenses, but the rest of your study expenses shall be catered for by the scholarship. All right, let's look at the application for how to submit your application and which documents are required for application to be considered. So the application file includes documents, the following documents to be uploaded, and these documents are supposed to be in a PDF format. So if you look at here, we have the documents listed here. The first one is your curriculum vitae, that is your CV highlighting your outstanding achievement. You must also have a motivation letter, a maximum page of one, that is a maximum of 1 page, and you must get 3 letters of recommendation to support your application, and this recommendation could come from a previous academic or a current superior at your workplace. And another thing that you should take note of is that the submission of all the documents in English is obligatory for the candidate's admission to the competition. So it means that all your documents must be in English medium. And if your document is not in English medium, you have to make sure it is translated into English by the appropriate authority. And it says that incomplete files will be rejected. So make sure all your files are complete and make sure you submit them. If not, your application will not be considered but rather be rejected. And no document can be added to the file after the submission deadline. So it implies that once the deadline is passed, you cannot add additional documents to your application. So make sure all your documents are added on your application within the application period so that you don't miss an important opportunity like this. So this is an information about the selection of the candidate, and I think it is the duty of the selection committee to do that. So if you want to go through these details, you can also take your time to read every single detail of it, and it will help you a lot. Now I want us to look at the application form. So if you click here, you will see the application form. It is just a simple form that takes your basic information and then it allows you to upload your documents. So if you look at here, it is asking of your first names or given names, your last names, date of birth, applicant nationality, your correspondence address, and your home address, your phone, your email, and the level of studies, whether your bachelor's, master's, or PhD. So after filling it like that, you click next, it takes you to the next page, then you continue like that. Since all these forms have been made to be required, you cannot go to the next stage unless you have filled properly the current page. So this is something simple that you can do, and so you have to take advantage of this opportunity to begin your studies at Transylvania University in Romania, a very beautiful country with beautiful women and guys where you can have a better life and various opportunities. So I want to entreat everybody that if this is your first time coming across a video on this channel, our name is CS Global, and we post opportunities about study abroad and tips that will help you to submit a compelling application to be considered for various opportunities in any of the abroad countries and institutions. So all you have to do is to subscribe to the channel and then like this video, hit the notification bar so that anytime a new video is posted, you can easily be notified, and then you can get access to the video without missing an important deadline. Always, your deadline is my priority. And if you are a returning subscriber, returning viewer or user, you are welcome. And then we also hope that one of these days you get the opportunity you've been looking for to kickstart your study abroad journey. All right, thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. We hope to get in touch another time. Bye.